Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanतीर्थ Vidyalaya Pathri Road Parvani. In this class today we have to see the science of 7th standard. In this we are in the second chapter. The name of the chapter is Structure and function of plants. So up to the last lecture we have seen the information about the root, types of roots. After that the next organ is stem and different organs of the stem, function of the stem. After that leaf and their types on the basis of that margin, leaf margin. See, these are the three different types of leaves on the basis of leaf margin. Okay, so friends, today we have to see the different or deep information of the leaves, arrangement of the leaves. We have seen yesterday the different parts of the plant, but friends, today we have to separate these plants on the arrangement of this plant, these leaves on the plant. So observe the branches of plant like rose, neem, coriander, hibiscus, etc. In different plants the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. See, in different plant you can observe in the picture present on the screen. So the arrangement of the leaves on the stem is different in different plants. Okay, it may be alternate, opposite, volt, or and spiral, etc. See, that are present in the picture on the screen. According to the shape, leaves are rounded, palmate, lanceolate, linear, etc. So on the basis of their shape or arrangement of that leaves on plant, we can classify the plant. Okay, next take a peepal leaf and a maize leaf and observe them carefully. Okay, take two different types of leaves. In that, one is of peepal, or like peepal other plant you can also take. Second one is the leaf of maize, jowar, etc. The peepal leaf is divided into two equal parts by a single mid vein, which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. Okay, because of that mid vein the peepal leaf is divided into two equal parts because of a mid vein which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. Secondary veins arises from the mid vein. They are branched and form a network or reticulum. On the other hand, in leaves of maize, all the veins are parallel, running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Thus, the pepal leaf blade has a reticular venation and a maize leaf blade has parallel venation. Reticular venation means जाळीदार शिराविन्यास and parallel venation means समांतर शिराविन्यास. Okay, so this is the difference between these two plants. In a pepal leaf, the secondary veins arises from the midvein, but in the maize leaf the subveins or secondary veins are parallel to the midvein and they are starting from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Start from leaf base and end to the leaf apex. So we called it as parallel venation. So friends, a little fun. Take a fallen pepal leaf and soak it in water for 15 to 20 days. Dry it and make a greeting card of the lace like leaf you get. So we can enjoy this little fun also. Now we have to see the information on the basis of this table. See, complete the following chart by observing the plant around you. You have to observe and write the information on some basis in this table. Okay, see, we take first example. Is the name of a plant is maize. Type of leaf, this is a parallel venation or simple leaf. Shape of leaf blade, linear. Okay, venation, parallel venation. Shape of leaf margin, linear. Shape of leaf apex, pointed. Petioles, no. Stipules, no. Arrangement on stem, yes. Arrangement on stem on the alternative type. Okay, so this is about the maize. And people and other plant, you can fill the information on observing these plants. Okay, so friends, we will stop here. We have to take the next topic in next lecture. Okay, thank you.